So I imported my clips on CapCut. Then I splitted the first clip, deleted the second clip beside the one I need because this one that I highlighted is not needed. So I deleted it. Then the first clip, I hit the reverse button because I want that part of the clip to be reversed. The video has been reversed. I was checking out the way it was. I didn't like the pace at which the flower was coming towards me. So I clicked speed normal. Then I went on the scale of 0.7. So I extracted my sound offline. So I'm just showing you guys, if you want to extract your sound, that's the place, the icon you press to hear your sounds. So I'm just arranging my clips. I'm cutting, splitting, trimming to make sure that the clip fits into the sound and it doesn't look tacky. So next I went to overlay and I'm overlaying the things I will need to put on my clip. Well, the overlay is on green screen. I didn't have the strength to start googling PNG videos and pictures, so I just went to YouTube and checked for some green screen, and I got some. And as you can see, I'm just arranging and cropping the part I don't need because your green screen has to be on a plain green background. So I'm just cropping out the unwanted part because I screenshotted all those objects from YouTube. So as you can see, I'm adjusting them. I did this for the other overlays. So when I was done resizing and making sure that everything is only on the green background, I was arranging the clips to the place I want it to be. Then I tapped on one of the clip and also I tapped on remove BG chroma key. Then I increase the intensity and the shadow. Whenever you're dealing with a green screen overlay, make sure you don't have those edgy green lines around the subjects. As you can see, I increase the intensity and shadow to make it look as natural as possible. So I'm basically doing the same process for the rest of the overlaid green screen clips. Next, I hit the keyframe and I'm resizing and arranging my overlay and placing it the way I want them to be and how I want them to come out in the video. And whenever you make a movement on an overlay and also tapping on the keyframe, you see a red diamond on the clip. That's to tell you that the keyframe is on. So as you can see, any movement you make, it creates a keyframe on the clip. So that's basically what I'm doing. As I'm moving the object, it's keyframing already. So as you can see, I'm adjusting the clips to my desired style. So as I said previously, any clip that you're using overlay, if you're using overlay for any clip, as long as you make a movement in that clip, it's going to automatically keyframe. So as you can see in that clip, you see like 3 to 4 diamonds. The keyframe is in the shape of diamonds, so you can see 3 to 4 diamonds on it. I did that offline. So here the original clip, I duplicated it, used it as an overlay, removed the background of the duplicated clip. After removing the background of the duplicated clip, then you tap on layers. You move the duplicated clip that you've removed the background towards the front, then those overlaid clip will be at the back, because you want those overlaid clips to show from your back. So after that, I'm just adjusting the clips on how I want the movement of those overlaid clips to be. So to achieve that transition, you tap on that small eye icon in between clips, then you see different transition, camera, blah blah blah, social media stuff. So I'm just showing you the other overlaid clips that I've had. So then I clicked on overlay to select another clip that I want to add to my video, which is this other green screen effect. So I added it as an overlay too, and I removed the green screen background using the chroma key. Then I added other transitions. You can see the overlaid clip that I removed the green screen. Then I tapped on that tiny little white button that has a black eye, black is the I or L in between clips. You just tap it, you see different types of transition. Also, a part of the sound needed a reaction. The part of the sound I used in the video needed a reaction, so I had to download and impute another overlay clip. So now it's time for fonts. Captioning, I was confused on which fonts I would use, so I settled on Rubik. Yeah, so you can pick the type of font you want, but I chose Rubik. So here I am playing with the colors, the style, and all. So I'm just putting in the caption to ensure clarity of the video. So yeah, I'm almost done. Okay, as you can see, I also keyframed one part of the caption by moving it towards where my hand is, so it looks as if captioning is following my hand. And here we have it.
Every business owner who feels like they could do more, come up with more amazing content, shoot more badass content, edit like a pro, overcome camera shyness, and utilize the power of social media for your business, but don't just know how to. Well, I've heard all your wishes, and today's your lucky day. After training over 4,600 students, 25 pre-marathon challenges gold, Prudence Digital brings you our 26 Reelathon challenge, strictly for business owners. Wow! In this Reelathon challenge, you are going to overcome camera shyness and confusion, how to shoot like a pro and edit like a wizard. You learn the key elements to shooting and editing viral videos, all for just 2,000 naira. Click the link and I'll see you on the other side.